Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Tony Mac, and I'm here today to show you John's Pass. And so this is John's Pass. Actually, this is across the street from John's Pass. There's this beach here, and with our drone, we wanted to show you a bit of the beach. You can see all these people here on the beach. It's very nice. We like it here. The sand is white. It is basically an extension of Clearwater Beach, just a few miles down, maybe 5 or 6 miles south, maybe 10 miles south. I don't know. There's my wife right there. And here's John's Pass on the little boardwalk they have. We can see these boats here, and these boats in the water. You see those little boats and birds flying around. And now we are on the street here in John's Pass. You can see the palm trees and all that jazz. But yeah, this is a nice little area tucked in the corner, as I said, in west of St. Pete's. Now we are in Tampa. This is near Tampa General Hospital. And right in front of us is Tampa. You can see look at this nice scenery, and now the scenery this isn't Clearwater. Well, this is between Clearwater and Tampa. It's called the Courtney Campbell Causeway. You can drive your car up to the side, which they've got like these little mini beaches on the side. Also, they have some like walkways, running ways, like you could run or ride your bike. It's about, I don't know, 9 to 11 miles of water. Of a trail that you could run or exercise. And here you see right in front of us are some jet skis. Some people swimming, and so there's definitely a lot of activities going on here. As you can see, there's these 3 people in front of us. They're in the water. It's rather shallow there. So you can see that guy's only up to his hips on all those people. Maybe, just about to their hips, maybe 2.5 feet of water. So I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe.